Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You should open Word Mobile and sign in so your files sync. This ensures access across devices. Once signed in, grant storage permission so the app can save locally and to OneDrive. Tap New and pick blank or a template right away. Template speed layout. Make sure to select the storage location, OneDrive for cloud autosave, or this device for local files. This first step gets you into the editing environment fast, and it sets up autosave and sync so you don't lose work. You'll start editing by tapping to place the cursor and using pinch or drag to select text. That enables copy, cut, and paste. Once done, apply styles and headings from the home ribbon to keep structure consistent, because styles speed navigation and export. Use the insert menu for images, tables, and links, and adjust layout to set margins and orientation. Make sure to preview changes. Consistent use of styles and the ribbon tools saves time and produces a professional doc. You should verify autosave is on if you used OneDrive. Otherwise, tap Save and choose the folder. Once saved, share by tapping Share to generate a link, send via email, or export as PDF for fixed formatting. When ready to finish, use Print to send to a network or local printer, then close to free memory. If sharing fails, check your account permissions and network. One quick fix is toggling airplane mode off and back on, then reattempt save and share. This often resolves sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.